Hello, welcome back once again. Today I am showcasing the traditional way of cleaning a pit latrine at home. I have gathered these items to aid in the cleaning of the latrine. I have dry banana leaves. I have a denser containing water. This water is soap-free. I have a broom and a long hand brush to scrub or brush the latrine floor. But in my case, I'm using the long hand brush to scrub the latrine. So this is how the latrine looks like before cleaning. So the next step is to clean the latrine using water and the long hand brush or scrubbing brush. Then you smoke the latrine by lighting dry banana leaves using a matchstick to kill all the germs in the latrine. Guys, note that the scent from the smoke and ash of burnt banana leaves kills the unpleasant bad smell from the latrine. Sometimes we call it the urea smell. Then lastly, you sweep all the ash from the burnt banana leaves into the pit latrine. Guys, that is all for today. Please keep on this channel, don't go away so that you don't miss any updates. I love you so much. Bye bye.